Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to express the function in the form f of g, where we have f of x is equal to cosine squared of x. So when we have this function, right, and I'm going to write this as cosine x being squared, we can see a natural choice for the composition f of g of x, where the outer function, f of x, is just x squared. And the inner function, g of x, is just whatever's inside that thing being squared, cosine x. Because when we're doing f of g of x, we're taking f of cosine of x, which means we're plugging it back into this x squared, and then we'll get f of x is equal to cosine squared of x. So these are the functions that result in this composition. This is not the only option. There's always multiple ways you can get to the same function, but this is the most obvious one.